4 ingredients, super easy, super fast. My Mexican rice. Let's learn how to make it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making a super easy Mexican rice with only 4 ingredients. I know, sounds crazy, but let me show you what you're gonna need so we can get cooking. First thing we're gonna need is water, some chicken tomato bouillon, chicken seasoning, and jasmine rice. As a reminder, all of our ingredients are going to be listed down below. Now, let's jump right into it. We're going to pour our water into our pot, and then we're going to set this to boil. For step 2, as soon as your water has come to a boil, we're going to add our remaining ingredients, our jasmine rice, right into the boiling water, our tomato chicken bouillon, and our chicken seasoning. We're gonna give it a good stir. And then we are going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes with the lid. As we allow that to simmer for about 15 minutes on a low heat, here is going to be the most important rule. Do not uncover, do not take a peek. I want you guys to trust the process. Now that it's done simmering, should look just like this. Nice and fluffy, orange, so delicious. And there you have it, super easy, fluffy Mexican rice. I hope you try this recipe out for yourself and tune in next time to see what I got going on in the kitchen.